Bad mind, bad mind, bad mind.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people, thanks for checking in. Movado drop the big song Prophecy. Well, me feel say it's a go be a big song. It have to be a big song. With a name like that, it definitely is a big song. So we are going to review it and see what this song is all about. Big up the Gully fans them. What is the meaning of prophecy?
Here's the definition of prophecy. A prediction.
So according to Google, the definition of prophecy is a prediction. So right now you can see say Movado a predict say him not stop. Him a tell you say him not stop. And Movado also predict say bad mind I go want him flop. You know what I mean? But me I go play out the intro of the tune and tell me what you think.
Bad mind, bad mind, bad mind. Can't stop me thing. Them can't win. Get a youth.
So the man I tell bad mind people say they need to go sit down. Bad mind need to go sit down. Bad mind can't win. I have the last place them a go forward. You see me? In a this race here. And people do remember, say Movado have one of the best year and probably one of the worst year this year. Because theme song would say one of the song them we are leading in a dancehall and that a Father God. You see me? But still in our family life, in our personal life, it's not been a very good year because you know say yo him son lockdown and all these things. You see me? But still the man I say bad mind can't stop him. Make we see what more him have to say.
Shout it out when every yo stop. Me can't stop, me can't chop. No for them want me hard stop. Me can't flop, me can't flop, me can't top. Shot fire, me can't drop. Rise man I rise and them want see me fall. And look how much things man do fi dance all. Work for me share and me never want all. Now them want me fi beg now go back a white squall.
Over the years, Movado proved to be one of the most talented DJ in a dancehall, and there's no doubt about that. You know what I mean? Remember, you know, in 2008, it was a little singer, and me don't want to little down him thing, but you know, it's a Vibes Cartel. Did the man at the time, you know what I mean? Vibes Cartel did hardcore DJ at that time. People never did a pre-Sing J. I'm over really forward and make Sing J relevant in the business, you know what I mean? And that time Movado as a little singer step towards Vibes Cartel. So Movado do him Jews, Movado PM Jews, and Movado say yo all him do in a dancehall, yo him never beg feet, you know what I mean? I work feet, but them still want to see him fall. Jano Star. And this relatable in enough people life, you know what I mean? Because enough time you work for what you have, you work for the big house, you work for the car, and people see it and don't know how you come about to get it, and them just bad mind you. But make we see what more Movado have to say.
Man, open up your eyes, them things are prophecy. Right in front of face, man, done dreams in a reality. Let me tell you this, tomorrow no promise to no man, me live on iconically. No mortality, me music live on, me a dancehall prodigy.
One of the happiest thing in a life, a achievement. You see when you can achieve something, when you alone help yourself, when you alone push and motivate yourself to achieve something, yo, is a great feeling. People, try focus on something where you need to achieve in a life and achieve it, and then you are going to see what me talk. You are going to see what me talk about. Movado achieve great things out of dancehall, and all them a go on like say the singer never do nothing for dancehall. And that him a say, you see me, him a say in music to live on. You see the word prodigy, it means a person, especially a young person with exceptional skills and ability. So right now him still a give homage to the elders them before him, because him no consider himself as a old person. He no consider himself say him wash up or done in a dancehall. You see me? So him a give homage, him a give credit to them people. But still him a tell you say yo, you see my music and not music we are gonna just play for 2 weeks and done. You know what I mean? Look at Father God I go play out the whole of this year, and it a play out the whole of next year and the other year and the next year for come. You see me? Them thing they are legendary music. So that Movado say when him a say yo, him think them a dancehall prodigy. You know what I mean?
Hey, them a live for me name like clothes. Well, see me coffin and rose. The gully up for 24 hours. Can't catch me a dose. Father God show me all enemy. Me see wolves a post on the sheep road. But me nah be the man them expect me to be. What more them expect me to get?
Right now, Mavado asks a serious question. What more? What more can you expect from a man who achieve so much? And why you don't really want tear down a man who achieve so much and do so much for dancehall? And them question are hard for answer. But you see bad mind, you see when you have fake friend around you, and you see when you have, as when Mavado say, wolf in a sheep clothing, are the worst thing. Yo. Hold on. Yeah, a bad mind did call me. Me did have to just hang up the phone. But at that me I tell you, me rather have 20 or 100 people who hate me and want to kill me than one friend who want to kill me. Cause you see them 100 people, you can know say yo, if you stay far from them, even though them enough. But you see that one friend there, and him I go tell you secret them. And him I go know the ins and the outs. Oh, if it damage you, you know what I mean? So people, more wanna do this, more wanna look in on the life and evaluate in the life. You see me? And you see anybody where you feel like say I move shaky or a wobble or have the least idea, say yo, you know say that boy they would have set me up. You need to cut them off.
Grandma, all my life, and you take me to church to do what's right. Father God, then know why me get so much fight. At the end of the tunnel, me must see the light.
People, do remember, if you like this song and if you like my review, just click the subscribe button, man. Click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And remember to hit the like button and share the thing. And thank you, me I go do a video on that. I thanking my subscribers them, all of the new subscribers them, because I recently hit 1,000 subscribers, you know what I mean? But for now, we are talking about Dancehall Prophecy. And you see the part in a Movado song, it really nice. Yo, it really touched me. I feel say other party are the best part tonight. But me I play it and don't talk it out.
Wish me little son could have see and understand. No for them would love to see your father hang. Shoot me in the back like they did daddy gun. Big funeral like they give Radigan. Set you up so them wicked and can. Can't trust a soul and they get away you from. Them kind of life that me get away from. From them no straight but a separation.
The man say him wish him little son could have see and understand. Say yo, them just want to see him father hang. Yo, John Star. People, do remember, you know, Mavado little son get locked down right now. Him can't come a road. And what? Mavado kind of wanted for questioning. Well, not necessarily wanted, but you know what I mean? That whole issue there, me don't want to go deep into that something there. But the man I say him wish him son could have see and understand. Say a whole heap of them want him father to get hang. You see me? Whole heap of bad mind people out there want the God for dead. Whole heap of people out there want the man for reach a jail. And enough people are trying to set up the man life as well, John Star. And that's why I'm saying this year it kind of sticky for Movado. Because Movado, as I say, have one of the baddest song for the year. But still, yo, I don't even know. But make we see one more him have to say.
Alright then, them kind of fight them me like way. I don't know them a fight from me rising. You know see it, so me must have do the right thing. Yeah. God never born with a gold spoon 9 months, so I struggle in my thing. As a man you have to deal with life like with them. Keep on riding.
Yo, one thing, you see, anytime you get fight, you do something right. My motto, you know, you see, my haters is my motivation. Because more the mind have 100 haters. That means you do something good, right? And at that would have pushed me to go harder. And Mavado say the same thing. Mavado say the same thing in him song. You see me? But people, that's the end of my review. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you don't like the song. Tell me if you don't like my review on the whole topic. Tell me in the comment section what you think about the whole Mavado saga and his son saga and all of those things. Just tell me in the comment section what you think. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and again, thanks for helping me to reach 1,000 subscribers. We reach 1,000 subscribers. And you know, say, for all of the new people on the channel, always stuff like this we do, and always some thought-provoking conversation and all these things. You see me? We are putting in the work, you know what I mean? You can follow me on IG at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's IAMDJCHADDY. And I'm out.
Wish me little son could have see and understand. No for them would love to see your father hang. Shoot me in the back like they did daddy gun. Big funeral like they give Radigan. Set you up so them wicked and tan. Can't trust a soul and they get away you from. Them kind of life that me get away from. From them no straight, well a separation.